Genius Solutions proudly presents the new Genius Patient Portal. The Genius Patient Portal is designed to enable practices to exchange health information with their patients by allowing seamless communication. The practice user can set up a Genius portal for a patient at any time, but before setup, the patient's email address must be entered into eThomas. The instructions, which include the web address and identification code, will be provided via email. The practice will need to send at least one CCDA to the Genius portal to allow the patients to use all features. Users can send CCDAs to the portal by clicking the Send to GS portal or through the Create CCDA section and selecting the Send to Portal button. Patients can view these CCDAs in the Encounter section of the portal. Once the patient sets up their portal, communication begins. The Genius Patient Portal is user-friendly for your patients. Some of the features include accessing health information such as vitals, lab results, allergies, current medications, diagnoses which can be accessed through the Problems option, and answering PFSH questions. The setup of family accounts for your parent patients to access their child's medical records easily. If the patient has already created a Genius portal with a different practice, their accounts will be linked upon setup with your practice. Patients can fill out and sign forms such as the HIPAA recognition and intake forms prior to appointments. Additional forms that your practice uses can be added into the portal. Patients can also answer PFSH questions in the portal before their visits. Patients can view upcoming appointments and request future appointments through the portal. When a patient requests an appointment, the patient will select a provider, date, and time slot. This information will transfer back to eThomas, where it will be placed in a holding area. The office will be able to review the request and verify the availability. If the spot is unavailable, a message will be sent back to the portal with the next available spot. Once the appointment is scheduled, the portal will send an email notification listing the scheduled appointment. Patients can send direct messages to the provider through the portal. The messages sent will come through into eThomas, where the provider can read and reply to the messages. Patients can send a refill request to the provider office, which will be delivered via direct message. Once the provider replies to the request, the patient will receive a notification leading them to the Genius Portal direct message portion. Talk to a Genius representative about the Genius Patient Portal today.